Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A convertible wind deflector is an accessory that can be fitted to parts of a vehicle that are often open when driving, such as windows and sunroofs, to prevent the driver and passengers being buffeted by wind as well as reducing noise and keeping out flying debris. When cruising with the top down, the air going over the windshield and over the cabin has a higher pressure than the air inside the cabin. The high-pressure air then doubles back, and equalizes pressure with the lower-pressure air in the cabin, causing the air to move in a forward direction in the cabin. Aside from causing a bad hair day, this can also cause warmer air inside the cabin to be scooped out, creating a colder traveling experience. A wind deflector reduces the effects of the high-pressure air entering the cabin from behind the seats, which results in fewer air disturbances and noise. A convertible wind deflector is designed to fit behind the heads of the driver and passenger. They can also be found on some cars behind the rear passengers' heads but are few and far between. It's divided into two categories. Made with a metal frame and fabric mesh covering that is both light and durable, the mesh wind deflector locates into fixing points provided by the car manufacturer. In most cases, the metal frame has a fixed base and a movable vertical section that sits behind the two front seats. This can be dropped down when not in use. For winter storage, the wind deflector can simply be removed in a matter of moments and stored away until required again. Only fitted to roadsters and roadsters with fixed roll bars, the Perspex wind deflector is a much simpler design than that of the mesh counterpart. The wind deflector has no frame and of course no stretched fabric. The big advantage over the mesh is you can have a crystal clear view, which means you don't need to remove the wind deflector from the car ever. Having no frame makes it much easier to manufacture, so as a result it's cheaper to purchase. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.